Ever sent money to a friend using Vips and wondered, is there a hidden cost to this convenience? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Vips transfer fees. Let's clear the air on this once and for all. Now, you might be thinking, why should I care about Vips fees? It's just a few bucks, right? Well, those few bucks can add up, especially if you're a frequent user. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a little extra cash in their pocket? So, let's cut to the chase. Does Vips charge for transfers? The short answer is, it depends. Stick around, because we're about to break down all the scenarios. First, let's talk about person-to-person transfers. If you're sending money to a friend or family member within Norway, you're in luck. Vips is generous enough to offer free transfers for amounts under 5,000 Norwegian kroner. That's right, you can send up to 5,000 kroner without paying a single penny. But what if you're feeling extra generous and want to send more than 5,000 kroner? Well, Vips isn't exactly Scrooge McDuck. They do charge a fee, but it's not going to break the bank. You'll only be charged 1% of the transfer amount. So, if you're sending 10,000 kroner, you'll pay a fee of 100 kroner. Now, let's talk about businesses. If you're a business owner using Vips to accept payments, the fee structure is a bit different. Vips offers different pricing plans for businesses, depending on your needs and the size of your business. You can choose from a basic plan with a flat fee per transaction or a more comprehensive plan with additional features and potentially lower fees. It's important to note that Vips is constantly updating its fee structure, so it's always a good idea to check their website for the most up-to-date information. But don't worry, we'll provide a link in the description below so you can easily find the latest details. So, there you have it. Vips transfer fees can vary depending on whether you're an individual or a business and the amount you're sending. But overall, Vips is a relatively affordable and convenient way to send and receive money. Now, before we wrap up, let's address some common questions about Vips fees. Question 1. Are there any hidden fees associated with Vips? Answer: not really. Vips is pretty transparent about its fees. However, it's important to be aware of potential fees charged by your bank for using Vips. Question 2. Can I avoid Vips fees altogether? Answer: unfortunately, there's no way to completely avoid Vips fees. However, you can minimize them by sending smaller amounts and taking advantage of the free transfer limit for individuals. Question 3. Is Vips the cheapest way to send money? Answer: that depends on the amount you're sending and your specific needs. There are other payment options available, such as bank transfers and mobile wallets, that may be cheaper for certain transactions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.